How to make leaves of pothos plant shine. If the leaves of your plant look dull, here is how you can quickly make them shine again. Loss of leaves vibrancy can be a sign of nutrient deficiency, underwatering, low humidity, dust buildup, or pest issue. Cleaning the leaves, adjusting watering, and ensuring proper care will keep your plant healthy and vibrant. Now let me show you how to make these beautiful leaves shine again. I use neem oil and microfiber glove, my favorite. Let me put it on. Lightly spray your glove with neem oil. Do not rush. Gently support the leaf with one hand and wipe the top with the glove and a neem oil. Do you see? It's already shining. The shining is done quick and easy. I hope you can tell the difference. By the way, I recommend washing the glove after each use. If you have any more questions about how to make leaves of pothos shine, let me know in the comments below.